Question number 4, letter A, correct. But wait, we need to know why. For the meaning, tenuous common word means when we are not sure, uncertain, obscure, unclear, as I said, because. So what helped me to know the answer? The cause and effect relation. Some because it's overshadowed. What could be the consequence? We are not sure. So the war
Yeah.
has place. So we need adjective to describe the place. So what is the place of the war in the history? So I'm unsure because he said overshadowed. This could be help. And now number 6.
Number 6B.
No, wait, number 5. Skip something.
Oh, number 5?
Yeah, skip number 5.
Oh, number 5A.
Number 5 wrong.
Oh, no, wait. Is there, defend. I'm sorry, defend. See.
You did it last time. It is.
Yeah, sir.
And I told you use the structure to help you. Say claims
Mm,
are what difficult to between two dashes to help you to know more about the full living rituals to help you. So the claims
yeah,
are too difficult to, I don't know. It's the following. To imagine, summary,
yeah.
just change. No, so it must be to defend. So to prove it is so
Yeah.
difficult to prove it, of course, because little information about it. As he know, we know so little. Good job. Number 6 is
Number 6B.
number 6B. No, let's read again.
Mm. Sir, C?
So it must be letter C correct. But we need to know any evidence. It emphasizes Harris always boast. Always means we have evidence to see his boast. You know, boast just like feeling proud, brag. Okay, but here, what is that? I said here, when it was so rough that the passenger had to be tied into their beds, he and the captain were the only ones to be supervisors, to be survivors. Only 2 living souls on board who were not ill. This means he is feeling proud that I am with the captain only who were not ill. We are survived. But this means
Yeah,
feeling like that. If not he and another man, then it was he by himself. So that means feeling proud that I'm still the only survivor and I'm not ill. So letter C is supported. The other ones, it's not. Here we don't have the reasons for eagerness to resume traveling. The letter D does not say that he prefers something to something else. There is no comparison, as you know. That means
yeah,
D. So if you are not sure about an answer, look for evidence about your answer. If not, delete it. C is
yeah.
correct. Number 7.
Number 7, I chose A.
It can be A, but we need to read again.
It can be A.
No.
Okay, wait.
Let me help.
Yes, please, sir.
Look for the terms conflict, opposite, between research findings and recent events. There, yes, yet means opposite ideas conflict. But wait, several studies have found recent findings. But what is opposite? That negligible electoral consequences for governments that impose fiscal austerity measures. That means it's a consequence for the government. Okay.
Yeah.
Look for the recent. Some European governments recent suffered electorally due to their. How he said here that they found that there are negligible, negligible just like its existence is workable. And how
Yeah.
they said it's a suffered. How they believe in something and how they suffered from. Something opposite. That is a conflict in letter B. That the text goes on to suggest is a consequence of complicating factor. Is going to explain how this conflict happened. So that means letter B
Yeah.
correct. But here for discrepancy like difference between what has been, but it's not this discrepancy, it's not difference. It's a conflict. Do you feel it?
Yeah.
So letter B is correct. Now let's find it. What is
Sir, for 8, I chose D.
letter D? No. Let's read it.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. For 8, it's A.
Letter A
Sorry, sir.
is the best answer.
Yeah,
And use the transition words to help you. Here
of
he
course,
said
sir.
its own language. You see, here he said
Yeah.
both. يبقى he disagree. That is right. Correct. Number 9.
For 9, C.
Number 9, C. No, let's try.
Uh, let me read again, sir.
Yeah, as what's happening, like what is true. Let's read it.
Okay. A. A again.
Do you love letter A?
Very much, sir.
Yes, that is right. So the problem was the concentration at home, but you did it.
Uh, sorry, I did this right after the class when I answered these questions.
So always choose it.
Like right,
So English,
right after. Yes, sir.
yeah, English is always the king and the most important subject. Choose the best time to have.
Yes. I
No,
guess when I get the test, SAT, I should like put it in the afternoon or something like that.
that's why. So don't test English. Always be professional. Good job, our engineer. Number 10, it's not A.
Number 10. No, no, not A, sir. B. I chose B.
You choose B, but wrong.
Oh. Ah, okay, okay. Wait, sir. Let me read, sir.
Near why are some critics skeptical? Why they doubt? Let's find.
D. D.
Letter D, and now you did it.
Yes,
As
sir.
we agree, where should I read in the text and focus? The calling means the use of calling, it means explanation. So we have
Yeah.
explanation. So your reason is here. Number 11,
Number 11, I chose A.
and your answer is correct.
Alhamdulillah.
Number 12,
Number 12, D.
12, 13, good answer.
13, I chose B.
Letter B, no. Let's read.
Oh, okay, sir. C.
You think it's letter C, but do we have any negative long-term ecological effects?
Um,
No, that is the assertion. To support it, to find an answer to say that we have negative effects. Look, through interbreeding, transgenic fish might introduce the trait of fluorescence into wild fish population, making those population more vulnerable to predators. This is negative fact. You know,
yeah,
vulnerable is are easily exposed to be controlled by predators. So predators can eat them easily and quickly. So the number of population will be low.
yeah,
But in letter C, we have effect. We have effect, but it's a positive. I said here may be represented as a subset of the ecosystem into which the fish have actually been introduced. But what is the negative effect? That's why we need to ask for support. If I ask you to weaken the assertion, you must find opposite to assertion. Be careful in the test. Sometimes you say weaken, weaken to prove something opposite. That's why. Let's jump.
yeah. Okay.
What is 14 for you?
14, I chose C.
14? I don't think so.
Oh,
Let's find set in
okay.
the question to support the conclusion. What is the conclusion? This is, but we need to read.
So I think it's B.
Remember, anthropogenic nitrogen deposition could more than offset that effect provided that the change is moderate, not extreme. Which answer said it's moderate? So growth with nitrogen under moderate change exceeded growth without nitrogen. So under the moderate exceeded growth without nitrogen under the current climate. So letter D supports the conclusion.
Yeah. Letter D. Okay.
Yes.
It's true.
Now let's go
15, I chose C.
50. C. No.
This one is so hard.
No, so easy. Look, illustrate the claim. What is the claim? Let's find it. Look, ambivalence. I told you about ambivalence. Opposite feelings, conflicting. As the speaker acknowledges its merits, while also expressing a sense of displeasure. He explained what means ambivalence, how acknowledge merits something good and displeasure at the same time. So we
Yeah.
need two opposite feelings. Look at letter D. Reading poetry with a perfect contempt. No contempt, disrespect, ignoring, discounting. uninterested. This is something negative. Look, one discovers that there is in it, after all, a place for the genuine. How a place for something true, something original, something good, and you say disrespect.
Yeah.
This means ambivalence, merits, and at the same time displeasure. So two opposite feelings. So two opposite feelings in letter D. But wait, letter C. When verbs become so derivative as to become un negative, the same thing may be said for all of us, as we do not admire. This negative only. Do not admire, do not understand. Oh, this is negative. We need negative and positive at the same quotation.
Yeah. Mm.
That is a problem. Number 16.
Number 16, I chose A.
Next, you choose A. I don't think so. Let's
Oh,
see. Support. It's conclusion.
D, I think.
We think letter D
Yeah.
or letter B.
B it is, I think. B.
Read the conclusion carefully. Baseline precipitation is somewhat concentrated. If water used not for irrigation will increase only slightly. Look, would result in higher number, triggering more irrigation. More or not,
Yeah.
increase. I'm just want to confirm it. Whereas it will increase, look, this is change in irrigation output is highly sensitive. Increase to imagine.
Mm.
That's why. So it will increase to the number or not. So he gives anything about increasing. Here increased, but which one in the answers? Feel it?
Yeah.
So increased to this one and increased to this one. We increased in both of them. That's why. Feel it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So B is better than. How about number 17?
Number 17 is C.
17 we need to read again. Remember it's thus cause and effect. Let's try.
Okay. to be letter B.
Letter B, no.
This one, um,
It's so easy but understand. What can we conclude based on this fact? Well, Upland was colonized. That means they affected them.
yeah,
So what happened? Why the accent emphasized on R came to Upland? Because it was colonized from ancestors. So Scotland affected Upland South.
yeah,
So the English dialect is spoken in Upland South, acquired from them because it was colonized. But look for that emphasis on the R will eventually spread from English dialects spoken in Upland to everywhere. He said to everywhere, or
yeah.
from Scotland to Upland South. In text, he didn't mention the emphasis on R spread everywhere. So this one not mentioned. So we find the consequence based on the reason, not mention the text.
Yeah.
And of course, you proved C and D, that's great improvement. Number
Okay.
18, the writing style.
This one,
Yeah.
of course, A.
So it's a correct. 9,
90 B.
19, be excellent homework.
20 D.
20 read again.
20 D.
20 D wrong. 20 it's A.
Oh, right. Oh my God, sir. I
Boss, you
forgot. I
said
forgot there's an
eating
S.
utensils.
I
Utensils.
thought, I thought.
Yeah. How did
Okay,
you know
so,
it's a plural? Because he said that when they were first used, he talks about the table, forks, and then. So the utensils refers to all of these. See? And all of these
yes.
mentioned as plural. Where? If you don't know the meaning of the word, because in English we have some exceptions. It has S and it's a singular. So always find anything to help you to singular plural. So it must be them. Right?
Yeah.
21.
Anyone A?
21, no.
What?
I know because you don't like it because it's so easy. Look, non-essential information between the comments.
D.
Remember,
Then D.
remember the structure? Subject, comma, information, comma, verb, complement, full stop, correct? That is the subject. Non-essential, you need comma.
Yeah.
So letter C. 21.
Letter C? Oh my God, sir. I'm so confused right now.
22, letter C, no.
Um, A.
Why you didn't check calling? Before calling, it's a complete sentence. Let's check it. This part with this part. Is it complete? Yes. Subject, verb, and then complements. After, we have explanation to tell you why it took 6 days. Because it's as heavy as 2,000 blue whales when fully loaded. Feel it too much. So
Yeah.
explanation. Plus, we don't need the comma here because this is prepositional phrase. But we need comma there because this is additional to the sentence. It's a sentence. Additional information. But this is comma unnecessary. This is comma wrong because we have two complete sentences. Comma splice mistake here. Complete sentence, comma. Complete sentence again wrong. Here the same mistake again. To remember, complete sentence, comma, complete sentence, full stop wrong. So this can help you. Mistake. So don't look here. Feel it?
Yeah.
Another point can help you. Non-essential information. Can we delete this part? No, it will affect the meaning.
Yeah.
So we cannot delete it. So another mistake. Another mistake can help you. This is a sentence. And I told you complete sentence. No punctuation. Complete sentence again. How to keep it without punctuation here? Two complete sentences. Its subject is verb. Complete sentence. Not fragment. It's a sentence. How to keep it without punctuation between them? So we need calling. Letter B. So find the any mistake in the answer. So be correct. 23.
Uh, uh, 23. C.
There is a voice 23.
C. I think it's correct. C.
23. It must be letter.
C.
Why? Let's read.
Letter what, sir?
Letter A.
Oh,
Let's follow the rules. Behind the character, do you remember title name?
yeah.
Don't use punctuation between them. Wrong. If you don't prove it from here wrong, prove it from there wrong. Let's prove for
Yes,
this
sir.
comment. For this comment. Where is the subject? The deep humorous voice. And then preposition phrase delete. Behind the character. So we have the verb. So why I need comma before the verb? Subject, comma, verb, complement, full stop, wrong. Don't separate the subject from the verb with the comma. If it is not non-essential. Mistake again. Right?
Yeah.
That is the point. So the mistake here, you should not separate the subject from the verb by any punctuation, except if it's non-essential between two commas or dashes. That's why. Like this part, subject, verb. Do we have any punctuation? No. But why here we have punctuation? Because it's non-essential information as transition word to commas. If you delete it, you will find voice acting has subject verb. So it's a sentence already. But so here
Yeah.
letter A is the best. 24.
24. I chose A.
No. Try again until I send you a new link. Try our engineer.
Okay.